there, beautiful person. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am the Nddy Celestine. If you aren't subscribed, please take a moment and subscribe down below. Subscription is completely free, y'all, and also turn on your post notification so that you can be notified each and every single time I drop a new video. So let's get right into today's video. Say no more to dry lips, y'all, as today I will be sharing with you basic and simple and easy DIY lip gloss recipes from TikTok. They are simple and easy to replicate. Take a look.
You're going to start off with 1 cup of Versagel, which is the lip gloss base, 1/4 cup of grapeseed oil, and 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. I added 5 dots of my pigment and some sparkle, but do whatever works for you. When it comes to adding my scent, I only do 3 full drops. This last step is optional, but if you want, add your decals, but add it towards the very end. A little key tip is to mix very slowly so you can avoid air bubbles in your lip gloss. This is the consistency you want, not too slimy and not too thick. If you want to try out this recipe, I will have these glosses available on my website. They will only be $3, so you can test to see if you like the consistency or not.
I particularly love the first one because I also use Vaseline on my lips and it works amazing. I made a video where I show you how to get soft, supple lips using Vaseline. I will leave a link to the video in my description box or in the iCard so that you can check it out as well. I hope you love these videos and I hope you found them easy to replicate. Which of these will you love to replicate or would you love to try at home? Let me know in the comment section down below. That is it for today's video, you guys. I hope you found it helpful and enjoyable. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Turn on your post notification so that you can be notified each and every single time I post a new video. So I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.